This picture frame looks pretty nice. I like the clear acrylic design. Let me show you a quick demo. This picture frame works just like a tablet. It auto rotates from landscape to portrait. Setting this up is very easy. Just download and install the app, and with the picture frame you must connect it to a Wi-Fi connection. The current slideshow right now is 5 seconds per photo. The minimum setting is 1 second and the maximum setting is 24 hours. One of the cool features about this picture frame is that more than one users can be added, and they can all upload their own videos and pictures to the picture frame. I love this picture frame. In settings, there are so many options and it's fully customizable and it's easy to use.